Every strong building begins with a simple plan. In this video, let's see how a building is constructed from start to finish in simple steps. Mark the boundaries and layout according to the drawing. This helps to know exactly where the building will be constructed. After marking, excavation start for the foundation. The depth depend on the type of soil and the size of the building. Steel bar are placed and concrete is poured to make the foundation strong. Once the foundation is completed, plinth beam are made to connect all column at the base. After that, soil is filled inside the foundation area and compacted properly. Now the main structure started. Columns are cast up to the slab level, then beams and slab are built. This process is repeated for each floor until the structure is completed. After the concrete structure is ready, brick or block wall are built. This wall divide the rooms and gives shape to the buildings. Before plastering, electrical and plumbing work are done. Conduits, wire and water pipe are fixed inside the wall and floor so they remain hidden and safe. Next comes plasterings, which make wall smooth and even. Then flooring work begins using tiles, marbles or cement finishes. After plaster dries, the building looks ready for finishing. Walls are painted, door and window are fixed and all fitting and installed. Outside the buildings, drainage, boundaries, wall, footpath and gardening are done. This makes the surrounding area clean and beautiful. Finally, engineers inspect the whole building carefully. If everything is complete and safe, the building is handed over for use. And that's how a building is constructed step by step from site preparation to handover. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe for more engineering video. Thank you.